Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tab back with another video. In today's video, I want to talk about why is it so hard to make money online? Why is it so hard to do this? And I thought about a lot of reasons why. I wrote a blog post about it. And I think the number one reason why is just, I guess why I first started wanting to do it. You see all these people online, gurus, and all these fancy cars and clothes and houses, and they're making millions of dollars a day, and they showed you what they have, but they never showed you how long it took to get there. And that's one mistake. And I think that they see people that these advertisements, on YouTube saying, and give me 4 to 5 seconds, I show you how to take this little coffee mug or whatever, and I make millions of dollars with it in the next 30 days, which is not true, because of course you could build a Shopify store, but you gotta drive traffic to it. It takes a lot of work. I think that people got misconstrued how to make money online, and they don't realize what to do. I think there's so many programs out there teach you how to make money online. There's so many platforms that people join, like Reddit and Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, that they join these money-making groups, and they keep joining these groups and joining these groups and joining these groups and watching YouTube videos and reading blog posts, and they don't actually do it because there's so many ways to get traffic. It's free and paid, and there's so many paid traffic sources, like maybe 30 ways to buy traffic. It's so many. You have to learn everything, and then people are afraid of buying programs, and people take, like for me, I took back then a long time ago, I used to take like a month to research a program before I spend $30 to spend the money and do the program. I spent all the time researching that program. What can we do making more content? So do you see where it's so hard to make money? Because there's so many ways of doing it, and people just get in their own way. People get paralysis by analysis. They get stuck learning how to make money online versus actually doing it. Or they have what I have, the shiny ball syndrome. They see a new way of making money online. They see a new platform people put into get traffic or backlinks or whatever, and they focus on that, and they spend our time on that versus doing something else. So I just think that it does take time. I just think that that's one of the reasons why it's hard to make money online. I think if people just stuck with one or two things and stick with it long enough, you'll make money. If you want to do YouTube, just do YouTube for 2-3 years and keep doing it. Don't stop. Don't buy a new course. Don't do this. Don't waste your time looking at information. I think that YouTube and blogging and the search engines, and like Eminem said that YouTube wormhole, and then like he was, in an interview with Sway, he said he was scrolling through the YouTube wormhole. That's what happened on YouTube. He's right. It's a wormhole. Once you start scrolling on YouTube, you be scrolling, watch this video, and then something else pop up. Oh, I'll watch that video, and watch that video, and just you always watching videos. So yeah, stop with the YouTube. Always cut it back a bunch. You read blog posts a bunch. Cut out a lot of TV. There's so many things that distract you that it's just so hard. They can say is not. You think it's hard to do what it's not. So it's the gurus show you all this lavish lifestyle they live, and they don't tell you how long it took to get there. They don't show you what the work required to do it. And there's so many programs, and they're outdated. In my other event, I did the Google Sniper, and then back then it was hot, but now it doesn't work no more. 3 blog posts on a blog, and it doesn't work anymore. So some programs are outdated. So, and then most people who want to make money online, who want to start online business, usually works a job, or they want to change their circumstances. They want to make more money. They're working. They probably have kids. They have bills to pay. And they don't have all that time invested to doing research and writing blog posts and doing videos, and they don't have time to do all that stuff. So they feel like they're not going nowhere. So I've been there myself, and it's hard. It's hard to make money online. It's not you do. Give me 4 to 5 seconds. I show you how we sell 1,000 of these spatulas and make $1,000. We're only 30 minutes a day. Not true. You gotta work every day at your business. You gotta work all the time at your business. You gotta do this every day. And most of the day, I mean, me working full time, I probably work about on my online stuff, maybe 20, 25 hours a week, maybe. So that's about 65 hours total with my full time and this, maybe more because on weekends I might, weekends on Saturday night, Sunday night, I go 11 to 3. That's 5 hours. And do 11 to 3 on Saturday. That's 10 hours. I might do 2 or 3 during the week. So it may be like almost 30 hours I put into it. On my days off, I put 3 or 4 hours into it. I put hours into this, and I'm not at the point where I want to be, but I have to keep on going. So it's consistency. That's the number one thing. You have to be consistent, and you also have to choose a way you want to make money and stick with it. I think that there's so many programs, so many ways. And listen to Ty Lopez too. You make money on Amazon. You make money on Amazon merch. You make money on FBA. You make money on YouTube. You make money with websites. There's so many ways to make money online. Shopify, creating the blog, creating the e-commerce website, be an affiliate for Amazon. It's so many ways, man. It's so many ways. You guys gotta pick 1 or 2 and stick with it. You gotta pick 1 or 2 ways to do it and stick with that. And stick with it. You don't deviate from it. You focus on it. Because sometimes you do something, it takes like you're in month 4, and then you see somebody in month 3 on something new, and they make $1,000. That's what's going on now with the world. So pick 2 things and stick with it. Mine's a blog of YouTube. I could do that in my free time. It'll take a lot of my time. I could do it in my free time. I'm doing that and do a little paid traffic too. That's what I do, and I'm sticking with that. If you want to do Amazon FBA, just do Amazon and stick with it. If you do Amazon merch, do Amazon merch. If you want to do Teespring, do Teesprings. Just keep doing it. Don't stop doing it. Keep doing it, and give it time. Do get better. And I noticed one thing. Since I've been doing a video a day, my ad revenue has gone up. It's like this, but it's always going up. So that's because I keep making videos. When I don't make videos, my ad revenue goes down. So I constantly do it. I constantly do a video every day. Even when I get about 5 views, that's 5 views I didn't have yesterday. Consistency. My name is Ty from thexking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and any questions, comments, concerns, or any discussions below the video. And if you want to make money online with a good affiliate program that don't cost you nothing to join, and I'm joining myself and went through it, below the video is a link for that, the Affiliate Bootcamp. Thanks for watching.